This is one of the many residential apartments that have come up in anticipation of an IT job boom in this part of Kochi. The boom, however, never came, or at least it hasn't come yet.
Kochi's Kakinad area is home to the Info Park and Smart City, special projects intended to lure IT majors to the city. Both these projects have seen some success over the past few years. The Info Park, for instance, has attracted companies like Tata Consultancy Services and Cognizant. But the number of jobs that this has created is lower than what authorities and builders had expected.
Well, most of us as builders, we saw an opportunity when the IT industry was going to pick up. So that's basically Info Park 1, 2 and 3 and also the Smart City. So we saw a great opportunity for housing in that area, and unfortunately that really didn't pick up.
According to a study conducted by industry body CREDAI, 85 of the 139 builders who operate in Kochi have sold around 13,700 units over the past 3 years. During that same period, they racked up an inventory of 4,410 units valued at around 4,175 crore rupees. Now, this may be a fraction of the inventory in Mumbai or Gurgaon, but for a market the size of Kochi, that's a big number. What's interesting, though, is that around 44% of that inventory is concentrated in the Kakinad area. But Infopark CEO Rishikesh Nair is confident the demand-supply mismatch won't last too long.
Even though it's a walk-to-walk township, I have not ventured into residential inside my campus because there is surplus supply right now, which I think by the time of 2017 or 18, the supply and demand will match, and then there will be more demand for residential spaces coming through.
This optimism stems from the fact that Phase 2 of the Infopark's expansion plan has begun, and most of the 100 acres assigned for IT has already been leased out. Once this expansion is complete, potential job creation at the Info Park is pegged at around 1.5 lakhs over the next 3 to 5 years. And that will mean more demand for residential houses and a chance for developers to hike prices.
The prices of residential real estate here in Kochi are relatively affordable, especially when compared to Mumbai and Delhi. The prices range from 9 to 11,000 rupees in the west on the waterfront to 3.5 to 4.5 thousand rupees here in Kakinad. And if the IT boom actually does happen, then the prices are going only skyward. In Kochi, Alexander Mathew.
So some ideas if you're thinking of buying property down south. That's all we have on Business Lunch. Thank you for watching. Midcap Radar takes the action forward.